Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द टुडेस लेक्चर. सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग सम ऑफ दिस बेसिक सैम्पल केसेस फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट. ठीक है. सो अभी देखिए, अभी पैटर्न कैसे रहेगा वो पहले हम लोग देखते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हम जो है डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन पेपर को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. सो देखिए, आपके लिए टाइम जो रहेगा 2 आवर्स का रहेगा. दैट इज योर टाइम विल बी टोटली फॉर द 2 आवर्स एंड मैक्सिमम मार्क्स विल बी फॉर द 50. यस, मैक्सिमम मार्क्स आपको कितने मिलेंगे? 50. दैट इज 50. सो जो जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो है वो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. सो फर्स्टली प्लीज रीड द इंस्ट्रक्शंस केयरफुली. So now this question paper consists of the 21 questions in two sections. It will be 21 questions in two sections. So section A and section B. ऐसे दो sections जो है आपके question paper में जो है वो रहेंगे. Okay. So likewise we are going to solve this. ठीक है. Section A has the objective type questions and whereas the section B contains subjective type questions. सेक्शन ए में टोटली ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन रहेंगे, जैसे कि एमसीक्यूज, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर, राइट. एंड सेक्शन बी विल बी द सब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. मतलब यहाँ पर कैसे रहेगा सेक्शन बी में आपके लिए? सब्जेक्टिव टाइप मीन्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्टिव उसके आंसर जो एक्चुअल लिखने हैं. सो बट सेक्शन ए में आपको क्या करने हैं? एमसीक्यूज जो है वो टोटली सॉल्व करने हैं. सो नाउ आउट ऑफ द गिवन 16.5 is equals to, that is what, totally 21 questions. A candidate has to answer 5 plus 10, that is 15 questions. ठीक है. आपको आउट ऑफ द 21 क्वेश्चंस आपको कितने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं? दैट इज 15 क्वेश्चंस इन अलॉटेड मैक्सिमम टाइम ऑफ 2 आवर्स. ठीक है. आपको आवर्स कितने रहेंगे? देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, आपको जो IT इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी की जो रहेगा दैट विल बी 2 आवर्स मैक्सिमम यू आर गोइंग टू हैव इट. So the all questions of a particular section must be attempted in the corrected order. So the order जो है वो आप लोग क्या कीजिए? properly follow कीजिए. So likewise you are going to solve or you are going to attempt all the questions in the correct orders. So अभी देखिए, the section 1 के बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं और डिटेल में बताऊंगी. सेक्शन 1 में, सेक्शन ए में आपको कैसे रहेगा? ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे आपको 24 मार्क्स के लिए. ठीक है. So this question is going to have the 5 questions, that is this section is going to have the 5 questions and mark allotted are mentioned against the each questions or part. So यहाँ पर there will be no any negative marking and जो आपको लोगों को पहले instructions दिए हैं, so do as per the instructions given there. Then the section B will be the subjective type question that will be for 26 mark. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या आपको write करना है? आपको descriptive questions जो है उसके answers यहाँ पर देने. So this question is going to have totally 16 questions. Totally questions कितने रहेंगे आपके लिए? 16 questions जो है आपके लिए यहाँ पर रहेंगे. Okay. And candidate has to do 10 questions. मतलब out of 16 आपको कितने questions solve करने हैं students? 10 questions जो है आपको solve करने हैं. And you have obviously you are going to have the all the instructions. ये instructions हैं. So please ये instructions जो है follow करें and question paper solve करने की try करें. So do as per the instructions given and marks allotted are mentioned against each question and each part. So let us start with today's question paper. So friends, चलिए आज का सैम्पल पेपर हम लोग सॉल्व कर देते हैं. So सेक्शन ए हम लोग यहाँ पर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. I will give you 1 minute time. Just try to find out the correct answer. Okay, so section A is objective type questions. Answer any 4 out of the given 6 question based on the employability skill. So 1 into 4 is equals to totally 4 marks will be there. So question number 1 quickly. Dash is essential to complete the cycle of communication. Encoding, decoding, feedback and sender. Dash is essential to complete the cycle of communication. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is C, feedback. Yes, feedback is essential to complete the cycle of communication. Okay, so let us move towards the next question. The good stress is called eustress, stress, both A and B, none of these. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is eustress. Yes, the good stress is called eustress. There are two types of stress, generally good stress and bad stress. And good stress is called as the eustress. So we will move towards the next question. Dash means to make a duplicate copy of file. Deleting, B, editing, C, pasting and D, copy. So the correct answer is D, copy. Copying means to make a duplicate of a file. Then Dash describes entrepreneurs as innovators. First one Howard W. Johnson, then Joseph Scamter, both A and B and D, none of these. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is Joseph Scumter describes entrepreneurs as innovators. Then next one is sustainable development requires the judicious use of A, resources, B, natural resources, 3, verbal resources, and lastly, none of these. So the correct answer is B, natural resources. Yes, sustainable development requires the judicious use of natural resources. The next question is dash conveys a statement, question, exclamation, or command. And your options are A, sentence, B, equation, C, formula, and lastly, none of these. So the correct answer is sentences. That is, sentence conveys a statement, question, exclamation, or a command. So now we will move towards the question number 2, that is, answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. And 1 into 5 is equals to totally 5 marks will be there for the given questions. Now, first one is, if you want to locate a range of cells by its name, then you will enter its name in dash, formula bar, B, name box, C, cell, and lastly, none of these. So the correct answer is name box, B, name box. Yes, if you want to locate a range of cells by its name, then you will enter its name in B, name box. Then we'll move towards the next question. We can italic the text by Control plus IT, then B, Shift plus I, C, Control plus I, and D, Alt plus I. So the correct answer is C, Control plus I. जी हाँ, we can italic the text by using the Control plus I. The next question, the question number 3 of question 2 is, dash command is used to restore database to original since the last commit. The options are A, review, B, select, C, rollback, D, none of these. So the correct answer is C, rollback. Yes, rollback command is used to restore database to original since the last commit. Then next one is next question. Question number 4. Dash provides the physical connection between the network and computer workstation. First one is LIC, then B, NIC, C, NC, D, none of these. So the correct answer is NIC, that is Network Interface Card, provides the physical connection between the network and computer workstation. So let us move towards the next question. Question number 5. URL is the dash for a website or a web page. So answers are A, web address, B, website, C, web page, and lastly D, both A and C. So the correct answer is A, web address. Yes, URL is, that is Uniform Resource Locator, is the web address for a website or a web page. So let us move towards the next question. How many types of views are available in the spreadsheet? Spreadsheet में कितने views available होते हैं? A 3, B 4, C 5 and D 2. So जल्दी कीजिए और आंसर दीजिए. So there are totally 5 types of views are available in this spreadsheet. Okay. So this is all about the question number 2. Then we are going to move towards the question number 3. That is, answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. And the marks will be right 1 to 5 equals to totally 5 marks. So the question number 1 is, which tab of MS Word contains the shapes options? A, home, B, review, C, insert, D, mailings. So the correct answer is insert. जी हाँ, the insert tab of MS Word contains the shapes options. So let us move towards the next question. So digital information is converted into analog information by the modem at, the options are A, destination computer, B, source computer, C, both A and B, and D, none of these. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is source computer. Yes, the digital information is converted into analog information by the modem at B source computer. So let us move towards the question number 3. Dash is the indent, the paragraph except first line. A left indent, second hanging indent, 3 right indent, and D none of these. So the correct answer is B hanging intent. So hanging intent is the indent, the paragraph except first line. So let us move on to the question number 4. The default page orientation in spreadsheet is landscape, B horizontal, C portrait, and lastly D none of these. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is portrait. Yes, portrait is the correct answer. The default page orientation in spreadsheet is C portrait. Then we will move towards the next question. The key field is a unique identifier for A each column, B each record, C both A and B, and D none of these. So the correct answer is B each record. Yes, the key field is a unique identifier for each record. So उसके बाद हम लोग जाते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए. So question number 6. Every computer is protected by a firewall, B software, C server, and D network. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is A, firewall. Yes, every computer is protected by a firewall. सो ये हो गया क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मूव टुवर्ड्स द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. देखिए एक बार आप लोग रिवाइज कर सकते हो. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के जो हम लोगों ने सारे आंसर सॉल्व कर लिए हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 यानी 4 के हम लोगों ने सारे सॉल्व कर लिए. वी आर हैविंग दी 6 क्वेश्चंस. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, 6 questions are there and you have to solve any 5 of them. Then question number 3, any 5 of the 6 questions and we can have the 5 correct answers. Then next we are moving towards the question number 4. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 question. इसका भी पैटर्न क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के जैसे ही रहेगा. You are going to have total 5 questions for 1 mark each. It is totally 5 questions. Now question number 1. Dash is a GUI based software used in Windows environment. बहुत easy question है. Answer A, word processor, B, DOS, C, both A and B, and lastly D, none of these. So try to find out. So the correct answer is A, word processor. So word processor is a GUI-based software used in the Windows environment. So we will move towards the question number 2. Dash is referenced by a combination of row number and column letter. So answers are A, data, B, work cell, C, cell, D, document. So the correct answer is cell. Cell is referenced by a combination of row number and column letter. Then question number 3 is dash leads to data inconsistency. देखिए डेटाबेस का क्वेश्चन है. So इसके आंसर से A, data integrity, B, data redundancy, C, data sharing, and lastly D, data recovery. So out of these options you have to choose the correct one. So the correct answer is data redundancy. The data redundancy leads to data inconsistency. आप लोगों ने DBMS में concept पढ़ी होगी. Then question number 4. Dash is a computer program that provides services to other computer programs. A, server, B, client, C, network, and D, none of these. So try to find out the correct answer. So the correct answer is server. Server is a computer program that provides services to other computers. So we will move towards the next question. Which of the following is not the main building block of database? A. Lists, B. Queries, C. Reports, D. Forms. So the correct answer is lists. Lists are not the main building blocks of the database. So the next question is Blockdesk is an offline blog editor which is used for dash operating system. A. Linux, B. Unix, C. Windows, and D. None of these. So the correct answer is Windows. Blockdesk is an offline blog editor which is used for Windows operating system. So let us move on towards the next question. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. So questions will be likewise. There will be 5 questions you have to solve into one, that is totally 5 marks you are going to get. So you will try to solve all the 6 questions. Dash preview displays the page breaks as blue line. Question number 1. A break, B page break, C page, and D none of these. So these are your options. So the correct answer is page break preview displays the page breaks as blue line. It is answer is B. Page break preview displays the page breaks as blue line. So let us move towards the next question. The dash alignments make sure that none of the edges of the text appear right. So the answers are A left, B right, C center, and D justify. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is justify. The justify alignment makes sure that none of the edges of the text appear right. So let us move towards the next question. Key field is a unique identifier for each record. It is defined in the form of options are A rows, B columns, C tree, D query. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is columns. Key field is a unique identifier for each record and it is defined in the form of columns. So we will move towards the next question. For example, suppose abc@mnc.co.in represents an MAC address, B URL, C email address, and D none of these. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is C email address. abc@mnc.co.in represents an email address. So we will move towards the next question. The bar located at the top of the application window is called A. Title bar, B. Status bar, C. Menu bar, and D. None of these. So the correct answer is title bar. Means the bar located at the top of the application window is called title bar. So we'll move towards the next question. A web page is located using a universal recording key. B. Uniform resource locator. C. Universal record locator. And lastly D. Uniformly reachable links. So the correct answer is uniform resource locator. A web page is located using a uniform resource locator. So friends, that's all for today's lecture. We will continue with the section B in the next section. Till then, bye. So friends, at the end of the session, let me tell you about the offers for both Iconic and Plus subscribers. जी हाँ, हमारी जो ऑफर है Iconic और Plus सब्सक्राइबर के लिए, it is going to end on 31st July 2021 Saturday. So there किस बात के, let me tell you about the mega offers, exciting mega offers for CBSE classes from class 6 to class 10. देखिए ऑफर जो है ऐसी है, सपोज आपके पास सीबीएसई का सब्सक्रिप्शन है फॉर लाइक 12, 15 एंड 18 मंथ्स, देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द फ्री सीबीएसई सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर 2 मंथ्स. यस, टोटली. अगर आपके पास सीबीएसई का सब्सक्रिप्शन है दैट इज फॉर 24, 36 एंड 48 मंथ्स, देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द फ्री सीबीएसई सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर 4 months. And if you are going to have the 60, 72 and 84 months CBSE subscription, then you are going to get the totally 6 months free CBSE subscription. So there की बात की है students, just please enroll for that. And yes, obviously, if you are having the Creative Corner subscription for the 12, 15 and 18 months, so आपको 2 months का subscription जो है वो totally free मिलेगा. And if you are having the subscription for the 24, 36 and 48 months for Creative Corner subscription, then you are going to get the totally 4 months free subscription. So likewise, if you are having the subscription for 60, 72 and 84 months for Creative Corner subscription, then you are going to get totally 6 months, obviously, totally free subscription for Creative Corner subscriptions. So student, if you are excited for the दिस मेगा ऑफर्स, तो जल्दी से जल्दी जो है आपका आइकॉनिक और प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो एनरोल कीजिए. यस, ऑफर इज गोइंग टू एंड ऑन 31st July 2021. So please note down the date and subscribe to our Unacademy Iconic as well as the Plus subscription. So as including that, you are going to get the flat 10% discount on purchasing Plus subscription for all duration. अगर आप लोग कोई भी Plus subscription लोगे तो उसके लिए आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा फॉर ऑल ड्यूरेशंस. So friends, let me tell you about the CBSE latest guidelines, and these guidelines are live on Unacademy. Yes, so our new batches are going to start from the 19th July for CBSE classes 9 and class 10. So देखिए बैच जो है this will be totally dedicated to the term 1, and yes, obviously your term 1 is going to end in the 3 months. So term 1 is very much needed, and yes, our new CBSE guidelines are totally followed while we are designing our courses. So our courses are completely aligned with the new CBSE guidelines. Yes, obviously, and all subjects are included in this CBSE latest syllabus also. Yes, obviously, the term is going to have the same, that is, we are going to have Hindi as well as English language as the mode of delivery. So हमारी जो language रहेगी वो हिंदी भी रहेगी और English भी रहेगी. So you can have as per your convenience and as per your requirements. So that is but students, so just try to enroll for these things, so that you will have the more benefits for the Unacademy Plus as well as Iconic subscriptions. So let me tell you about the mega launch Mondays. Yes, अभी हर महीने की तरह इसमें आने वाले मंडे, that is for the August month is also we are having the mega launch Mondays. So we are going to have the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises. And yes, obviously it is going to start from the 2nd August 2020. जी हाँ, 2 अगस्त 2021 को जो है हमारी न्यू बैचेस स्टार्ट होने वाली है फॉर डाउट क्लियरिंग एंड NCERT एक्सरसाइजेस. सो ये क्लासेस जो रहेंगे CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए रहेंगे. For term 1, we are going to focus on the batches like maths, science, English, Hindi and SST. So यहाँ पर भी हम आपको क्या रहेगा, डेडिकेटेड टीचर्स रहेंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स इंक्लूडेड एंड द डेट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 2nd August 2020. So note down this date and enroll for the mega launch Mondays. And obviously we are going to have the Unacademy batches. हमारे जो batches है, our new batches are going to start on every Monday. So there are some challenges batches also. They are going to start on the 2nd August 2021. So in the previous slide, I have told you about the class 10. So let me tell you about the class 9s also. So देखिए class 9 के challenges batches रहेंगे. The subjects which are going to be included are like the maths is there, science is there, English is there, Hindi is there, and SST, that is social sciences, are also included in our new Unacademy batches. So हमारे batches जो the new batches are going to start on the every Monday, and we are going to have the expert teachers regarding that particular subjects also. So for class 9 and class 10th, we are going to have the new batches for on every Monday and mega launch. That's why it is called mega launch Mondays. So students, let me tell you about the Unacademy Plus as well as Iconic subscription. देखिए आपको 2 टाइप के सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेंगे. Let me tell you firstly about the Plus subscription. Plus subscription क्या है देखिए. The Plus subscription is basic plan to get started. Yes. So Plus subscription में अगर आप लोग जाएंगे तो आपको क्या बोलेगा, in as best educators will be included there. Then we are going to have the interactive live classes. आपकी क्लासेस जो इंटरेक्टिव लाइव रहेंगी. उसके बाद we are going to have the live tests and live quizzes also. जैसे कि previous lectures में भी हम लोगों ने लिए थे. And yes, our course will be total structured courses and PDFs. So notes regarding that particular subject will be also provided for the students. So these are all the benefits of the Plus subscription. So likewise, we are going to have the Iconic subscription. देखिए Iconic subscription में क्या कर सकते हैं, you are going to take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. जी हाँ, यहाँ पर आपके लिए एक personal mentor रहेगा. सो आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन में भी क्या रहेंगी, प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन की सारी चीजें रहेंगी, जैसे इंडिया बेस्ट एजुकेशन, देन इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट्स एंड क्विजेस, देन स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेस एंड पीडीएफ्स विल बी देयर. सो आइकॉनिक में एक एडवांटेज क्या रहेगा, यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द पर्सनल मेंटर. यस, आपके लिए खुद का एक पर्सनल मेंटर रहेगा. देन यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस, आपके डाउट्स जो है उसके लिए लाइव सॉल्यूशंस आप लोगों को मिलेंगे. Then next you are going to have the parent connect. Yes, obviously the students parent connection and parent teacher connection will be there, so that the parent will have the more idea about your progress. And obviously you are going to get the study planner also. यहाँ पर आपको आपके लिए खुद का एक स्टडी प्लानर जो है वो मिल जाएगा. सो ये सारे जो क्या है प्लस एंड आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शंस के बेनिफिट्स है. सो इसके साथ साथ मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द क्लास 9, 10th, 11, 12 सब्सक्रिप्शन, एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग टू हैव 10th, क्लास 11 एंड 12 सब्सक्रिप्शन, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या रहेगा और बेनिफिट क्या है. देखिए पहले लेट मी टेल अबाउट द क्लास 9, 10th, 11 एंड 12 सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर प्लस. ठीक है, अभी प्लस के लिए आपको देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन कैसे रहेंगे. फॉर 3 months यू आर गोइंग टू हैव the 2,500 per month, that is totally 7,500 for 3 months. Then for 6 months you are going to have the 10,000 for total 6 months, that is 1,667 for per month. And yes, obviously you are going to get the 33% off, that is 30% discount also. Now if you are going for the 12-month subscription, you are going to get the 50% off, and you are going to have 1,250 per month obviously, and you are going to have the total package of 15,000. जी हाँ, 15,000 का जो है पूरा पैकेज रहेगा. वैसे if you are going for the 15-month subscription, you are going to get totally 1,200 for per month with 18,000 for total 15 months on 52% off discount. If you are going for the 18 months, you are going to get the 56% off with 1,111 rupees per month and 20,000 rupees for totally 18 months. So likewise, if you are going for the 24 months, then you are going to have the 1,042 for per month, and you are going to have the 25,000 for totally 24 months. Now if you are going for the 36 months, you are going to get the 64% off on 889 per month and 32,000 for totally 36 months. Now if you are going for the 48 months, then you are going to have the 833 per month and 40,000 for totally 48 months. So जितना आप लोग ज्यादा सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे उतना आपको क्या मिलेगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा डिस्काउंट जो है वो मिलेगा. सो अगर आप लोगों को आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, क्लास 9, 10th, 11th एंड 12th के लिए क्लास आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, तो आपके लिए पैकेजेस कैसे रहेगी. देखिए पहले की तरह 3 months रहेगा, 4,000 per month and 12,000 for totally 3 months. Now if you are going for 6 months, you are going to get the 29% off and 17,000 for 6 months and 2,833 for per month. Likewise, if you are going for the 12 months, you are going to get the 42% off discount, and you are going to have the 2,333 for per month and 28,000 for totally 12 months. Now if you are going for the 15 months, then you are going to get the totally 47% discount, and yes, obviously you are going to have the 2,133 per month with the 32,000 for 15 months totally. Now if you are going for the 18 months, you will get the totally 1,944 for per month with 51% discount and 35,000 for totally 18 months. So if you go for the 24 months, you will get the 48,000 total whole package with the 2,000 per month on 50% discount. Then if you are going for the 36 months, then you will have the package of 66,000 with 1,833 per month. And if you are lastly going for the 48 months, then you are going to have the total package of the 83,000 with 1,729 per month, that is totally 57%. So based on your choices, you can take your subscriptions also. So जितना आप ज़्यादा सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे उतने आपको डिस्काउंट जो है वो ज़्यादा मिलता जाएगा. So the next one, let me tell you about the class 10th, 11th and 12th subscription for both the Plus as well as the Iconic. देखिए आइकनिक आपको लोगों को पता चला होगा वो जो कि है प्लस का थोड़ा सा एडवांस्ड है. सो आइकनिक के लिए और प्लस के लिए हमारे पास 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 24 एंड 36 मंथ्स के सब्सक्रिप्शन है. सो लाइकवाइज जो है आइकनिक के भी रहेंगे 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 24 and 36 months. Now, if you are going for the 3-month subscription for Plus, you are going to have the 7,500 for whole 3 months with 2,500 for per month. If you are going for 6 months, then you are going to have the 10,000 for total package and 1,667 per month with 31% off. If you are going for 12 months, you are going to have the 15,000 package and 1,215 per month with 50% off. If you are going for 15 months, you are going to get the 18,000 for the whole package and you are going to have the 1,200 per month with 52% off. If you are going for the 18 months, you are going to have the 20,000 package for the 18 months with 1,111 for per month. If you are going for 24 months, you will get the 25,000 package for all months and 1,042 package for the per month. If you are going for 36 months, you are going to have the package for 32,000 with the 889 per month. So आपको डिस्काउंट जो है वो 64% ऑफ मिलेगा. So likewise for Iconic, if you are going for 3 months, you will get the 12,000 as well as you are going to get the 4,000 for per month. If you are going for 6 months for Iconic, you will get the 17,000 package with 2,832. If you are going for 12 months, then you are going to have the 28,000 for the whole package with 2,333 per month. If you are going for 15 months, you will get 32,000 for whole the package and you will get the 2,133 package per month with 47% off. If you go for 18 months, you will get the 35,000 whole package and 1,944 per month. Now, if you go for 24 months, you will have the 48,000 for whole package with 2,000 per month. And if you are going for 36 months, you will get the 66,000 for whole the package at 1,833 for per month with 54% ऑफ. जितना आप ज़्यादा लोगे उतना आपको क्या मिलेगा, सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है एडवांटेज जो है ज़्यादा मिलेगा. सो बेस्ड ऑन योर चॉइस यू कैन हैव द सब्सक्रिप्शंस. सो लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट द अपकमिंग Unacademy Combat. So you can win the scholarships worth the most challenging battle to level up preparation and practice for class 9th and class 10th. And obviously it is the पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आपको क्या मिलेगा, अच्छे प्राइज मिलेंगे. प्राइज वर्थ रुपीज अप टू दी 1 करोड़. ऑब्वियसली इससे भी पहले दो ऑलरेडी कमबैक हम लोगों ने ले चुके हैं हम बैक एंड दैट इज वेरी वेरी सक्सेसफुल. सो इसका पैटर्न कैसे लगा दे, लुक यू विल बी हैविंग द 30 क्वेश्चंस फॉर द 45 मिनट्स. द टेस्ट विल बी इन द बोथ दैट इज हिंदी एज वेल एज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. आपकी जो टेस्ट है आप लोग फ्री लाइव टेस्ट ऑन एंड्रॉइड, आपके पास एंड्रॉइड ऐप भी होगा, आपके पास एंड्रॉइड मोबाइल भी होगा तो भी चलेगा. अगर आपके पास एप्पल है वो भी चलेगा. देन इफ यू आर हैविंग योर ओन लैपटॉप देन नो प्रॉब्लम. सो ये कॉम्बैक्ट जो है इट विल बी ऑन दी 1 August and you can enroll in the description given below the our videos. And yes, obviously it will be for the classes class 9th and class 10 at 11 AM. Date लिख लीजिए 1 August 2021. So you are going to have the plus 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Academy subscription. So you can use my code that is DDLive for the 10% off. And yes, obviously download the Unacademy app now and try all these features for free. And you can use my code that is TDLive and get it on the Google Play as well as you can download from the Apple Store. So that's all for today's lecture. Bye. Unacademy, let's go.